Hey guys, welcome to a new Mac Basics video on this channel. I will show you how to install new fonts on your Mac. So, we open Safari. For this video, I will use the font.com, but you can use any site of fonts to download them. Alright, you have a lot of varieties from cartoon all to Christmas. I would like an old school font. I gotta stick with the Freshman. Let's download it. After the download is complete, you see that the font has appeared in the download shortcut on the dock. Open it. As you can see, the font book just have opened and we have our font. Press Install Font. As you can see, it says problems may have been found with some font files during validation. Just ignore it. Select all fonts and press in the down right corner Install checked. Done. Now your font is downloaded. Now after all that, thank you for watching Digital Tips. Comment, like and subscribe, and I see you later. Bye.